Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change desktop wallpaper on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change desktop wallpaper on Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Personalization. Here you will find an option background. Click on background. Now you can change background wallpaper from here. Just select one after another and you can change the background wallpaper. Look, the background wallpaper has been changed. If you want, you can change your background wallpaper to your custom wallpaper. Just click on browse photos and I'm going to select a wallpaper from my computer. I'm going to select this image and click on choose picture. Look, the picture is added in recent image. Now click on the picture, minimize settings. Look, the wallpaper picture has been changed on my Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.